Hey, what's up, guys? Strip Crypto. You caught me on a midnight sandwich. Oh man, hold on, 1 second. Got some minis right there. Okay, sorry. I wasn't planning on making this video, but I'm not excited, but I'm kind of pissed off. I'm starting to connect the dots, and I don't like it. This isn't going to be popular. I've actually noticed people have unsubscribed from my channel ever since I've started talking shit towards cryptocurrency and a couple of projects. If you don't like what I have to say, please unsubscribe and lose your money. This video is directly about RSR, the overall market, and just again, I'm putting my conspiracy theorist hat on, and I'm putting out another video that's that's potentially calling some things out. So, FTX, BlockFi, all of this bullshit that's been unraveling, all of these central exchanges going under, SBF putting out all of these cryptic tweets, doing all these weird interviews, saying all this weird shit, just has me really thinking. I put out my video yesterday talking about how, I really feel like the market makers, the government, are really starting to close the doors on the arena. They're getting us all trapped. They're letting the liquidity flow in, but they're probably not going to let it flow out. I talked about that, right? But guys, I've been so bullish on RSR. I really have been, but I'm starting to see some red flags, and I would not be a good person if I didn't at least tell you what my how do I phrase this? I wouldn't be a good person if I at least didn't view switch and tell you what my devil's advocate type mind, my pessimist mind is telling me right now. Because I think it's valid to see multiple points. So, I don't know what video it was, but I did kind of raise a red flag on how I heard Peter Thiel was donating quite a bit of money to a party of United States government. I'm not going to say what it was, who it was. It was just part of the government. And I said how he had donated, I think it was $30 million. And that was just concerning, right? So, ever since I had made that video, I had found out, like the whole world had found out, that SBF and FTX has been stealing our money. Not only has he been stealing our money, he's been making risky trades. He's been profiting off our money, giving it to people. He's also been donating a shit ton of money to the one side of our political party, and it's not the right side. So, a couple of things I want to let you guys know is, for one, RSR, reserve rights. Peter Thiel is a very big backer of RSR. So, first red flag. Like I said, I heard rumors that he was donating quite a bit of money to a political party. First red flag. Okay. And then the whole world after that, the whole, well, let me before I say what I'm going to say. So I heard that rumor. Peter Thiel has been giving the Democratic Party a shit ton of money. Shortly after that, guess what happened to the price of RSR? Lee the Captain said it the best. Every single time I feel like I buy into RSR, I'm buying the dip to the dip to the dip to the dip. This feels like this is a line of credit for them, in a sense. I mean, this is just how I feel in my conspiracy theorist mind. Sorry, the sandwich is good right now. So, but Peter Thiel, one of the biggest backers of RSR. Guess who's another big backer of RSR besides Coinbase? Digital Currency Group. Yep. Guess who's heavily involved in DCG? Genesis. See where I'm going with this? Guess who's in the headlines right now of possibly going insolvent? One of the biggest Bitcoin OTCs out there. Guess who's in trouble right now? Genesis. Guess who's a huge backer of the digital currency group? Genesis. Guess who's a huge fucking backer of RSR? DCG, Digital Currency Group. Who did I literally made a comment, a post on RSR's Twitter account asking them about Peter Thiel and possible trouble with RSR. Guess what I got? Absolutely no response, and I think I was blocked. Oh, I don't know what to think. And this is after the tweets that I've been seeing from RSR that I thought were questionable. So, guys, I haven't done it yet. But I honestly think I'm going to sell my RSR and sorry, spilled milk. But I think I'm going to sell my RSR, cash out, and just watch what happens. I don't even feel comfortable with my cold storage anymore. With my my hardware wallet, my Ledger X, I don't feel comfortable. Because after I'm hearing all of this shit, Digital Currency Group, like if you guys, if you don't know who the fuck they are, do your research. If you don't know who Genesis is, do your research. Like those two groups alone have their hands in every single goddamn project, probably in cryptocurrency at some extent. And they have financial issues. So, again, I'm going to piggyback off what I said yesterday. Who is the creator of Bitcoin? Who really created Bitcoin? Because like I said, I'm starting to feel like this whole cryptocurrency game is a trap. I really am. So, guys, I'm tired of losing my money. I'm tired of these fuckboys robbing me. Like, I have lost so much money. My whole net worth is almost gone. And it's not due to my really choices. I've had a lot of things happen to me that has like been completely out of my control. And I promise, like, I dare someone to just say, well, you should have pulled your fucking crypto off the exchange. Like, dude, like, say something like that, man. I will fly you out to Spokane, Washington, and I will kick your ass. Like, legally. We can do it in a cage. I'm an MMA coach, Muay Thai coach. I have promoters that would literally fly you out here for free just so I can kick your ass. So talk shit. And I'm not a tough guy, but I'm so sick and tired of you YouTube keyboard warriors talking shit because I'm the one out here putting my opinions out. I'm the one that's doing the courageous thing, talking and giving you my insight and feedback on a goddamn fucking recorded line. You know what I mean? So talk shit on me. I don't, I'm going on a goddamn rant right now, but I'm sick of this shit. But guys, I don't even know about crypto anymore. Do I think it's profitable? I do. Do I think there's legit projects out there? I do. But do I think this whole environment has turned into a joke? I do. I think SBF and FTX did a good job doing so. But guys, I think that is I think like I said last night, this is a sleight of hand. I think there's something bigger going on. You know, back in March, the White House signed some executive order giving them a whole lot of control. What was that about? And why is Gary Gensler letting this shit go on? Why was he so tied into FTX? And why is there so many connections to the Democratic Party? Man, this whole shit is crazy. I just don't know. You know, I was bullish on RSR until I heard that the digital currency group is hella connected to Genesis. And then I heard Genesis is about to like literally probably go under. And they have their hands on like everything. They came around in 2013, guys. Again, they were the biggest on board, the biggest OTC of Bitcoin. And right now, like any exchange that you're with right now, I just want to put it like this. Any exchange that you're with right now, any centralized exchange, if you get a yield, if you're staking your any crypto, guess who's responsible for that? It's not the centralized exchange. It's Genesis. Think about that. Guys, I don't know what I'm going to do right now. I'm at the point right now where I'm pretty much probably going to sell most of my crypto. I'm going to keep a couple moon bags, but I think I need to see the dust settle. As far as the content, I'm going to still put out content. I don't know what kind of content I'm going to put out. I used to put out a bunch of bullish content. RSR was one of my biggest holdings, and I think I'm going to get a lot of pushback. There's some influencers that actually had mentioned me, and I don't know if they're actually too happy with what I'm saying or if they're going to buy into what I'm saying. And I'm okay with that. I just don't know. I've seen so much shit. I tried putting my faith into this industry. Tried to get in a cold wallet. Done all these things. Set stop losses. I've actually made money on a lot of my trades. But it's just pretty fucked when all that money gets taken from you and you have no control over that. That's the fucked part about this game. You can do everything right, whether you short, go long, set stop losses, or whatever you do. It's just pretty fucked that they can just take your money. That's the fucked part about all this. In a lot of situations, I've done a lot of things right, but yet here I am in a financial crisis, possibly looking at bankruptcy. But I'm a good trader, I guess. I wish I would have stuck with the stock market. I wouldn't be in this position. If I would have stuck with physical assets, wouldn't be in this position. Gold, silver. So, guys, I learned my lesson. I'll bounce back from this. Give me a couple months. I'll be good. But I don't know what else to say. I'm going to put out some more cryptocurrency, focus videos. I'm still a believer on RSR. I could be wrong, with my conspiracy theorist views. I still like Ace Bar, still like Quant. I've talked about that. But as far as, what I'm going to invest in moving forward, silver is my number one asset that I'm going to start investing in. I'll put out more videos about that. I think Quant and H Bar, are the and RSR third is the top 3 cryptos I'm going to start investing in. As far as the stock market, I kind of sold everything. Was pretty heavy into Apple, but I think I'm going to start getting back into Tesla. So this isn't financial advice. This is all recommendations as far as what you should do, as far as paper trading. With fake money. Got to practice somewhere, so practice on this channel. Get yourself a journal, a spreadsheet, give yourself an allowance, and see what you do with that paper trading. But guys, this video is 15 minutes long too. I'm tired, man. This has been a long fucking week, so I don't know if you're gonna gain anything out of this. If you want, hit the like button. If you don't want to hit it, fuck you. If you want to subscribe, cool. If you don't, unsubscribe, fuck you too. But that's where I'm at in my life, man. Like I said, I'm making these videos to track my own progress. If you don't like it, you can kiss my pasty ass. With that said, Straight Crypto's out. Peace.